Tonight, somewhere on Earth, an entire factory is operating in complete darkness. No workers, no supervisors, no lunch breaks, just machines. Thousands of robots, moving with microscopic precision, building products faster than entire cities once could. Every second, artificial intelligence is making decisions humans no longer fully understand. And the most disturbing part? This is not the future. It's already happening. Because across the world, factories are learning to run without us. For over a century, factories depended on human labor. Millions of workers powered the Industrial Revolution. Human hands built cars, airplanes, computers, entire economies. But today, a new industrial revolution has quietly begun. One powered not by steam or electricity, but by artificial intelligence. In some factories, humans now make up less than 5% of the workforce. The rest is handled by machines that never sleep, never complain, and never stop improving. This is the rise of the fully automated factory. Modern manufacturing has one obsession: efficiency. Every delay costs money, every mistake costs millions, and humans are unpredictable. Workers get tired, distracted, injured. Machines don't. A robotic arm can weld thousands of parts with near-perfect accuracy every single day for years. AI inspection systems can detect microscopic defects invisible to the human eye. Automated warehouses can organize millions of products faster than entire human teams. And unlike humans, machines continuously learn. Every movement generates data. Every error becomes training. Every second improves performance. This is why governments and corporations are investing trillions into automation, because the factory of the future isn't just faster, it's becoming intelligent. A modern automated factory behaves almost like a living organism. Thousands of sensors constantly monitor heat, vibration, pressure, speed, inventory, and machine health in real time. Every robot communicates with every other robot, every conveyor belt, every machine, every production line, connected through AI systems making millions of decisions every hour. If one machine slows down, the entire factory instantly adapts. Production reroutes automatically. Inventory updates itself. Replacement systems activate before humans even notice a problem. This is called predictive maintenance, and it saves industries billions of dollars every year. But the most advanced factories are now going even further. Some companies have created something called a digital twin, a complete virtual copy of the factory running inside a computer. Engineers can simulate disasters, optimize production, and test new systems digitally before changing anything in the real world. The result? Factories approaching near-perfect efficiency. Traditional robots followed instructions. Modern robots can learn. Using machine learning, AI systems analyze enormous amounts of data, discovering patterns humans could never manually program. Robots can now recognize objects, adapt to changing environments, avoid collisions, and even predict human movement. Some factories use computer vision systems more advanced than the cameras inside military drones. AI scans every product, every component, every microscopic detail at speeds impossible for humans, and the technology is evolving rapidly. Humanoid robots are already being trained to work inside factories built for human workers, which means companies may no longer need to redesign factories around machines. Instead, machines are learning to work in human environments. Some factories today are so automated, they barely need lights, because robots don't care about visibility. These are known as lights-out factories, facilities capable of operating almost entirely without humans. Raw materials enter one side, finished products leave the other, with minimal human involvement. In some semiconductor factories, even the air is controlled by AI. Temperatures fluctuate by fractions of a degree. Dust particles are tracked with extreme precision, because a single microscopic error can destroy millions of dollars worth of computer chips. The machines building these systems are so advanced that only a handful of companies on Earth can manufacture them. And the factories producing tomorrow's AI chips are themselves controlled by AI. But automation comes with consequences. Every robot introduced into a factory replaces human labor somewhere else. Entire industries are changing faster than workers can adapt. Manufacturing jobs once considered stable for life are disappearing. And unlike previous industrial revolutions, artificial intelligence is now replacing not only physical labor, but cognitive work too. Logistics, accounting, customer support, data analysis, even software engineering. For decades, humans believed machines would replace repetitive physical work first. But AI is changing that assumption entirely. The question is no longer, can machines replace humans? The question is, how many jobs can survive this transition? Previous industrial revolutions unfolded over generations. This one is happening in real time. Artificial intelligence improves exponentially, which means the machines replacing workers tomorrow may become obsolete themselves within years. Factories are now entering a feedback loop. AI improves production. Better production creates better AI chips. Better AI chips create even more powerful AI systems. And the cycle accelerates. Faster every year. Some experts believe we are witnessing the early stages of a transformation as significant as the invention of electricity itself. Others warn society is completely unprepared for what comes next. In the future, factories may become almost entirely autonomous ecosystems. AI systems ordering raw materials automatically, robots repairing other robots, autonomous trucks delivering products without drivers, drone systems managing inventory from the air, entire industrial cities connected through intelligent networks. And eventually, factories may no longer be designed around humans at all. No lighting, no offices, no cafeterias. Just machines optimizing production endlessly, silent, efficient, relentless. The world's most advanced factories are already moving toward this reality, and the speed of change is accelerating faster than most people realize. But perhaps automation was never really about replacing humanity. Maybe it's about redefining human work itself. Throughout history, technology has always destroyed certain jobs, while creating entirely new industries. The Industrial Revolution created factories. The Computer Revolution created the digital economy. And the AI Revolution may create opportunities we cannot yet fully imagine. But history also teaches something important. Societies that fail to adapt to technological change often get left behind. The challenge facing humanity is no longer whether automation will happen. It already is. The real question is whether humans can evolve as quickly as the machines they created. Somewhere tonight, while millions of people sleep, factories will continue operating silently in the dark. Machines building cars, computers, robots, even the processors training future artificial intelligence. Entire industrial systems running with almost no human involvement. And as automation spreads across the planet, humanity stands at the edge of a new industrial era, one that could create unimaginable prosperity or redefine civilization itself. The future of manufacturing has already arrived, and it's learning to run without us.